Hi everyone, I'm Mary and I'll be showing you around Creighton University's School of Dentistry, a 200,000 square foot facility and clinic designed for providing patient care and dental education. This is our main entrance for patients and visitors. The first floor is home to our adult dental clinic. Here, students provide affordable, high-quality care to more than 14,000 patients every year, all under the guidance of expert faculty. Upstairs, our large classrooms seat up to 120 students with collaborative table seating and advanced audiovisual tech to keep learning interactive. We also have a dedicated pediatric and orthodontics clinic. This space is designed to make kids feel comfortable while getting the care they need. Next up is our simulation clinic, where students practice in realistic, non-patient scenarios, building confidence before stepping into the real clinic. On the fourth floor, the active learning lecture hall is equipped for everything from lectures to small group workshops, and the Alumni Lounge hosts events that keep our dental community connected. Thanks for touring the dental school with me. Be sure to check out all the other great spots on Creighton's campus.